Providing you with premium quality products comes with a massive responsibility. That's why we perform strict post-production quality tests. As 5 to 10 kilowatts of power goes through the optical parts, it's essential to keep dirt out of the high-power laser beam to prevent damage of the optics. 1 micron cleaning standards are far stricter than those for CO2 optics. This is because a shorter wavelength increases the sensitivity to contamination. 1 micron lasers are 10 times more sensitive to contamination than 10.6 micron lasers. If we suspect there is a surface defect, a loop is used to measure the scratch width and the hole's diameter.